This is Gus trying to choose his ride for the weekend. So Old Faithful is on kick 3.
He's trying harder than the other one is. Hon, we have to name them. Oh, now I gotta lose them.
I think it was 6. 5 or 6 kicks. Roll the tape. Alright, I feel better. Well, here we are. We're about to embark on this journey after a revival. So I went through it, you guys saw. I did everything I think I could have done. Some clutch adjustments to make this thing a little bit more user-friendly, and it's riding really good right now. So here we go. We're gonna find out, you guys. This is take 3 of me trying to talk to you guys. I don't like doing these talking heads, especially from the future, because I'm trying to remember the sequence of events from like months ago now. But yeah, bike ran flawless. I rode it around for like 3 days, just getting comfortable on it, because it was my first time riding like a long bike, a Springer bike, a foot clutch bike. So there was a bit of a learning curve there, but my thought process was, if I could take this thing on a road trip and it performs really well, well, then I know that the drivetrain is good to go and it's going to work great for this turbo bike. So that's essentially what I did. It was a hell of a good time. I can't remember how many kilometers or miles we crushed, but it was a fair bit and it was a really fun time. So I rode the balls off this bike for the rest of the summer too. I tried to soak up as much time as I could with it. Before getting into tearing it down. So it will live on. I love the green bike. It's too much fun. It's probably gonna look a little bit different when I go in and actually do stuff to it, but for right now, I'll roll some footage of me tearing the transmission out, tearing the engine out, prepping everything, getting ready to build this turbo bike. But the winds of change are blowing and we must say goodbye.
Follow the Moskwa down to Gonky Park, listening to the wind of change. An August summer night, soldiers passing by, listening to the wind of change. so close, like brothers. The future's in the air, can feel it everywhere. I'm blowing with the wind of change. Take me to the magic of the moment on a glory night, where the children of tomorrow dream away in the wind of change.
So there you have it, you guys. Engine and drivetrain are out. They've been out for a little while now. I'm kind of filming this here and there, but that's kind of the story of the green bike up until this point. This thing will live on, just in a slightly different form. I have plans for this bike in the future, but for right now, it's donated its heart and its soul to the next build. So forever thankful for this thing. Had an insane time on it this past summer, and it's going to contribute to a really, really special build, which is what the next videos in this series is going to focus on. So you guys are up to speed with the green bike. You'll probably see it again sometime in the future, but for right now, this turbo bike series, we're going to switch gears. You won't be seeing this thing. You're going to start to see the bike that I'm building, which will be exciting. So stay tuned, you guys. Thanks for watching.
I'm editing this video in the basement while I'm having a bowl of soup here, and I sound depressed in that last clip, man. I hate tearing apart good running bikes, but I really do think this one's going to be worth it. The turbo build, I can already tell you guys, it's coming out really cool, and there's a lot more cool parts on the way. So I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys have faith in me that I didn't just ruin a really good bike for no reason. There's a plan here. So stay tuned. The next videos are going to get interesting. You guys are going to see the progress of the turbo. Stay tuned.
To the